In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Notes on iPhone. So I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is find the Notes app. Once I see it, I'm going to tap and hold on the Notes app icon for a moment. You want to keep your finger on it just long enough for the quick action menu to appear. After a second, that menu pops up, and now I can see a few different options connected to the Notes app. From this menu, I'm going to choose Record Audio. So I'm tapping on that now, and as soon as I do, it takes me straight into the audio recording option inside Notes. This is the shortcut that lets me get to recording faster without first opening the app and then looking around for the feature. Now that I'm on the recording screen, I can start recording audio in Notes by pressing the red record button. So I'm looking for that red button, and once I see it, I'm going to tap it. As soon as I press it, the audio recording starts. That means anything I say from this point is being recorded directly into Notes on my iPhone. This part is really simple because once you get to the recording screen, the main thing you need is that red record button. So I'm just making sure I tap that clearly, and once it's active, the recording begins right away. There's no extra menu I need to go through before that, and there's no complicated setup in between. It's just press and hold Notes, choose record audio, then tap the red record button. I'll go through that again while I'm here so it's easy to follow. First, I found the Notes app on my iPhone, then I tapped and held the app icon until the quick actions menu showed up. After that, I chose record audio from the menu. Once that opened the audio recording screen, I pressed the red record button, and that started the recording inside Notes. If you're following along with me on your own iPhone, just take your time on that first part where you press and hold the Notes app. You want to hold it long enough for the menu to appear, but once it does, the rest goes very quickly. You just tap record audio, then press the red button, and you're already recording. So right now I'm still looking at the recording screen, and once I've pressed that red button, I know the audio capture has started. That's really the key part of this whole process. If the record button has been pressed and recording is active, then you've done what you needed to do. Everything happens in just a couple of steps, and it's a really quick way to begin an audio note. This is useful when you want to capture something fast without typing it out, because the shortcut menu on the Notes app gets you there almost immediately. Instead of opening the app first and then navigating around, you're jumping straight into the audio recording option from the home screen. That makes the whole thing feel a lot quicker and easier, so if you ever need to do it again later, it's the same process every time. Find the Notes app, tap and hold it, choose record audio, and then press the red record button to begin recording. Once you've done it once, it becomes really easy to repeat. At this point, the important thing is that the red button has been pressed and the recording has started in Notes. That means the setup is complete based on these steps, and you're now recording audio right from your iPhone into the Notes app. So that's how to record audio in Notes on iPhone. Just tap and hold the Notes app, choose record audio, and then press the red record button to start recording your audio in Notes. That's all you need to do.